Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Connecting your Garmin ECHOMAP to the ActiveCaptain app offers incredible convenience for boaters. You can easily update your marine charts, download new software, and manage your device directly from your smartphone or tablet. This seamless integration ensures your navigation system is always up to date, providing the latest information for safer and more enjoyable trips on the water. It's like having a digital co-pilot right in your pocket. Before we dive into the connection process, a few quick checks will save you time and hassle. First, make sure your ActiveCaptain app on your phone is fully updated to the latest 2025 version. Then, on your ECHOMAP Chartplotter, ensure its software is also current. Finally, confirm both devices are charged and that Wi-Fi is enabled on your mobile device. These steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Let's get these devices talking. On your ECHOMAP, power it on and go to its Wi-Fi settings menu. You'll typically find this under Network or Communications. Here, select ActiveCaptain to enable your Chartplotter to broadcast its own Wi-Fi network. Now, grab your phone, go to your Wi-Fi settings, and connect to the ECHOMAP newly visible network, then simply open the ActiveCaptain app. With your devices connected, ActiveCaptain will now automatically start syncing data with your ECHOMAP, which is truly fantastic. This allows you to effortlessly download new charts, update your existing ones, and even push important software updates directly to your Chartplotter, all from your phone. Beyond charts, you can also manage and sync your quick-draw contours, waypoints, and routes, making trip planning and data management incredibly convenient. Sometimes, technology can be a bit stubborn. If your connection struggles, a simple restart of both your ECHOMAP and mobile device often resolves it. Also, confirm your phone isn't connected to another Wi-Fi network. Remember, always keep your ECHOMAP connected to power during any updates to prevent data corruption. If challenges persist, Garmin's online support or your ECHOMAP manual are excellent resources for specific solutions. Happy boating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.